Everyone, so if you've ever seen a movie where you see subtitles appearing on the movie or TV show or even some YouTube videos, that is called captioning, and this is a job of some people. And these people, what they need to do is just to type out what is being said. And the people that do this, their job is basically to type out what is being said, and these things they type out are being synced into the movie such that it is timed as the person is saying whatever is being said in this movie. Now, that being said, as someone who has been researching typing jobs online, that is one of the typing jobs that you can venture into. All you need to do is just to make sure you have good communication skills, good typing speed, and be accurate with your typing. And of course, you should have the gadgets like laptop and internet source, and of course typing speed to get started doing this job. Most times they don't require you to have any experience or to have a degree to get started. Now, there are a couple of places you can find these typing jobs. Aside from signing up on Fiverr and Upwork as a freelancer who will be doing captioning for people once there is need for them to use the service, you can actually look out for these jobs in websites that are dedicated to doing this. So without wasting much time, the first website we're going to talk about is called Aberdeen Broadcast Service. What they are into is transcription and captioning and all those type of services when it comes to typing, translation, and stuff like that. Those are basically what they are interested in, and they're always hiring people, captioning editor, to come on board to work for them. And all you're expected to do is to be conversant with Microsoft Office suite, and of course have a good communication skill, typing speed, and stuff like that. Now, as a beginner on this website, you stand a chance to earn from $14 to $20 per hour on any job that is given to you to do. This is different from per audio minute. So once you are doing the job, on every hour of doing this job, you earn $14 to $20 depending on the type of job you're given. So you should expect to get captioning from any field of life, as long as it's a video or audio you're given to type out. You just type out what is being said. Now, the second website is a popular one, and which is everybody is aware of it. There are lots of jobs you can stand to get on this website. Now, what you're going to do here is just to caption. Now, if you're interested in other services like transcription, you can also sign up for it, but you have to know that you have to take a test to get started on this website, and they're going to check your grammar and your communication skills as well before you get started. Now, if everything goes well, you sign up with them, they're going to give you a job. This website pays you every Monday, and you can stand the chance to work from wherever you are. You are not restricted to doing a particular job. Like, you get to choose or to select the type of job you do on this website. Now, on this website, the average earning is $240 per month, but the top earning is up to $1,570 a month. So that is if you're serious with the job, you stand a chance to earning this. And of course, if you're delivering something good, you stand a chance of earning these top earnings on the website. And the name of the website is rev.com. Another website is a place where you can find transcription and captioning jobs as well. I've mentioned this website in my videos previously. Now, on this website, you can stand a chance to earn up to like $940 if you're on the average, and if you're top earner on this website, you can earn up to like $3,600 on this website doing captioning, transcription, translation, and all those type of job, because that is basically what this website does. And of course, you have to prepare yourself to do the test that is expected of you. You just apply and they give you a job to do if you're good with it, and if you come on board, they give you jobs that you can start doing immediately as a captioner for them on the website. Now, the name of the website is Go Transcript. I'm going to leave the link to all this website as usual in the comment section. So if you find any of them, please let me know the ones you're going to be interested in. Now, there are other websites as well where you can find these captioning jobs, but unfortunately, some of these websites are not hiring all over the place right now. Websites like Venan and Captioning Star are only hiring people from the United States. So if you're in the United States, you can check out Captioning Star and Venan and sign up to them. For Venan, they are updating their database with applications so that once they have something that you can suit in, they can contact you, and then you start working for them as a captioner on their website. So you can also check out this website. So the next one we're going to talk about is previously called Caption Mass. For you to work for them on this website, you have to be 18 years and above. You have to have good communication skill, good typing speed. You have to be able to spot errors, and you have to be able to learn, because you stand a chance to grow your career with them on this platform. Now, they didn't get to specify how much you're going to earn, but there are lots of benefits that they said on the website what you can start to gain from working with them on the website. However, from my research, you can earn up to $18 to $30 per hour working with them on their website as a transcriber or a captioner, and you get paid weekly on this platform. So the name of the platform is Stream Play Media, so you might want to check it out. Now, if you're looking to find captioning jobs in your locality, you can check out LinkedIn and make your search in your locality or using your country, and hopefully you get some results that you can quickly apply to start working as a captioner. Another way is you can reach out to people that are in media. That is another way you can find out if they have captioning jobs that you can do for them, or even some YouTubers. You can reach out to them and see if they are in need of captioner. So those are basically how you can get captioning job. Now, if you want other typing jobs, I have series of typing jobs you might check out on my channel to know where to get started. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers. We're grateful to you all for your support. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.